Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best documentation for uncapped funding and my experience with it. If you're raising capital for your startup using a convertible note or a safe, simple agreement for future equity, you've likely heard the term uncapped funding. This simply means there is no maximum valuation cap placed on the future equity conversion price for the investor. It's often paired with a discount to the price of the next funding round. In my experience, whether the round is capped or uncapped, the due diligence requirements from investors are extremely thorough and focus on a few key areas. The term uncapped relates to a specific financial term in the agreement itself, not a reduction in the necessary paperwork. Essential documentation for uncapped funding. The core documentation you need is identical to any standard seed or early stage fundraising round because the investor still needs to assess the risk and potential reward of your company. 1. Financial statements and projections. This is the absolute backbone of your due diligence. Investors need to see proof of your business's health and trajectory. Historical monthly financials. Detailed financial mode. Success metrics. 2. Legal and administrative basics. This ensures your company is legally sound and the uncapped agreement is clean. Corporate documents. Cap table, capitalization table. Intellectual property, IP, documents. 3. Team and product due diligence. Remember, with an uncapped round, the investor is taking on more risk regarding their minimum return. They need to be incredibly confident in the team and the market opportunity. Team backgrounds, market analysis, product roadmap. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.